Hi, what are you doing? Now stay back there. I want to show everybody how you can brush your teeth. Yes, you like to brush your teeth? Is that your favorite thing? Are you done? This is Caleb's first toothbrush. Let me see. You getting them good? And he loves it. Yeah. What a big boy. You okay? Had a little too much spit? Are you done? He's making a mess, huh? Let me see. Hi. Hi. Yeah. Oh. Okay, what do you think? Are you done? Yeah, you're drooling everywhere. Okay, let's rinse it off and put it away. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye, that's right.